Okay, I'm quickly going to show how to split a garment into pieces without losing your rigging and morphs. So the first thing to do is to select your item and save out a new file so that you don't overwrite anything. I'm going to do figure prop. Split. Alright, here is the important bit. Rename that so that it doesn't overwrite any of the data files that you've got. Alright, so now that I've got a new item saved, I know that when I do anything it's not going to kill the morphs that I've got for the original OBJ. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to surfaces, since what I want to find is that bit there, and delete it. So it's going to be the inset. I'm selecting that all, and then I'm going to do geometry visibility. I'm going to do hide selected polygons instead of right away going to delete selected polygons, because hiding often you can see if you selected something by accident that you didn't want to select. Once you've deleted the polygons, they're gone. Alright, so it looks like nothing else got hidden that I didn't want. And now I can go to editing, delete hidden polygons. It'll give you your little warning message. It cannot be undone, so you have to be on something that you can throw away afterwards. Alright, and now it's deleted. So now I'm going to save it again. Save as, support as it. I'll name it that one, but you'll see where it now changed the product name, and it did that so that you don't accidentally overwrite the previous one. So now I can call it Ember Split, because I want to test it before I rewrite it with the right names. Alright, I'm going to go delete it and load the one that I just saved, and there it is. So now when I go to rigging, it's get everything that I had in there from before, including all the morphs and everything. Once you're happy that all the morphs are working and all the rigging's working, then you can resave it with a new name in your data directory that you want to pack up. I hope that helps, and if you've got any more questions, let me know.